Sharpen skill middle school students. This series is meant for school children to sharpen their intuitive skill and get a quick boost and arouse their interest in math. It is aimed to sharpen their recall, application, faculties, and drive away any math phobia deep in their minds. Students from anywhere in the world can apply to join our free online sessions. Take up this easy challenge, solve in 30 seconds. Sharpen your skill and solve this in 30 seconds. Math is where beauty, logic, and simplicity converge into a passion. Now, we are given this figure and we have to find this exterior angle x. The measure of the angle x marked here. The skills required are, we have to know that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 and exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Only these two concepts are needed. Sum of the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees and the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. If you know these two concepts, you can solve and find out the value of x in less than 30 seconds. Now look at the blinking right angle triangle. It is an isosceles triangle, you can see. So if one is 90, the other two must be 45. The acute angles must be 45. So in this right angle triangle, we get the acute angle as 45. So this exterior angle, right? The exterior angle, which you can see blinking, that should be 180 minus 45, that is 135. Because they form a linear pair. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. So the blinking arc, you can see that angle, the exterior angle must be 180 minus 45, that is 135. So we get this angle as 135 because each of the acute angles should be 45 in this right angle isosceles triangle. So the exterior angle, that is the linear pair they are forming. The exterior angle, you can see the blinking arc, that should be 180 minus 45, 135. Now in this triangle, one of the angles we calculated as 135. Now the other two angles are equal because the triangle is marked as isosceles triangle. So each of the angles will be 180 minus 135. 180 is the sum of the three angles. One of the angles 135. So you subtract and each of the other two angles are equal. So 180 minus 135 whole by 2, that is 22.5. So the angle which you can see, the animation, you can see the arc, that is 22.5. Now this x is the exterior angle. This x is the exterior angle, that is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. One of the angle is 90. See the bottom and left side 90, you can see blinking, and the other is 22.5, you can see the arc. So the exterior angle x must be equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. We are taking the full triangle. So exterior angle x must be equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. One is 90, you can see blinking, and the other arc blinking, that is 22.5. So the total is 112.5. So the required value of x is 112.5. So that was a smart skill. Follow us to improve your skills so that you get over math phobia. You can quickly recognize when you see the question, how to do it fast, how to quickly recall the different formulae. So follow us, and always you can have free online sessions with us. So contact us if you want to have free online session. And that's absolutely free of cost for students and learners all over the world. So if you need, you can always contact us for any session, and you can also send us any question if you have any doubt. So we will come back with more useful videos. Till then, thank you and goodbye.